Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you with me to a hidden gem in northern Ontario, the Quiet Bay Inn in Magnetawan. Tucked away in the heart of cottage country, this peaceful spot offers direct access to a beautiful lake right at the back of the property. I brought my drone along to capture some amazing aerial views, and trust me, the scenery is breathtaking. From the still waters to the surrounding forests, Quiet Bay lives up to its name. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this little escape into nature's tranquility. As we lift off, you can already feel the calm. This is the view from above Quiet Bay Inn, and just behind it, this beautiful, peaceful lake stretches out like a mirror. Early morning mist still floats over the surface, and the trees sway gently in the breeze. The lake is what truly makes this place special. Whether you're out for a paddle, sitting on the dock with a coffee, or just taking in the view, there's something about the water that brings instant peace. Look at those reflections, almost perfect, like nature painted the sky twice. So once again, sit back, relax, and enjoy the aerial view of the hidden gem at Quiet Bay Inn. Thank you, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.